Somebody come and hype me up. Come and hype me up. Please come and hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me
up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can do this super easy, super simple, invisible pony in your hair without glue and without sewing anything. It's super simple, beginner friendly, and the hair was only $11 from my local beauty supply store. So go ahead and get you some hair so you can do this ponytail when you got somewhere to go, because this is easy. And you can do it with any textured hair. You can do it on your natural hair. You can do it on anything. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Make sure you like it and subscribe for more videos. Hey guys, I'm starting this style on dirty, old, like 3-week-old straightened hair. So we're just gonna come back after we get this slicked down. However you slick your hair down is up to you, but once you get your hair slicked down, we'll continue this video, so I'll be right back. I did find this hair at my beauty supply store. I've never worked with it, but it was only $11 and I liked it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it doubled. Hopefully it fills up my whole braid, but yeah. So you're gonna take your end of your track and then you're just gonna start to wrap it around like this. So you want to get a bobby pin and hook it on, hook it going up, that way it holds it, and then you just want to start wrapping up. And then every so often you can go in and add a bobby pin to make sure it's secure. But I just like this way because it's like not messy. Having to do the glue method by yourself is so hard. So, and this is also easier for takedown. You can just take the bobby pins out and reuse your hair. You don't gotta worry about glue getting all over your tracks. So it's super convenient. So you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I will come back once I'm done wrapping. So guys, I ran out. As you can see, I don't have enough to fill the top, so I'm gonna have to take it out and open it and do it that way. But it came out so cute, very natural. So I'm be right back. I'm gonna take it out so that way you guys can see the final look.